What's up guys? This is Jorem. Welcome back to my channel, The Easy Access. In this video, magre-review tayo ng Realme C11. They market this phone for online learning. Let's also find out kung okay nga ba yung specs niya for gaming and for photos. Check this out! And kasali sa video na to, ang unboxing ng Realme C11. By the way, 600 subscribers na tayo. I would like to say thank you and God bless to all my subscribers. And a quick shoutout to Sir Julius Urculio from Dumaguete City for being the sponsor of this video. Thank you, sir. Keep safe. By the way, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button with the notification bell for more updates on my video. Let's go sa review and unboxing. So, ito yung nakasanayan natin na yellow typical box from Realme. Ayos. And medyo maliit yung box natin ngayon. And let's begin to unbox the Realme C11. And subukan natin yung one-hand unboxing. Yun. Ayos. Pagbukas mo ng box, may nakalagay kagad na, "Hey, welcome to Realme family." We got here the smaller box. So tabi muna natin yung smaller box and we got here the actual Realme C11 na nakabalot pa siya sa plastic. So let's try to get it. So ganito naman yung Realme C11 pag nakabalot pa siya sa plastic. Take a quick look and tabi muna natin yan dyan. And let's try to find out kung ano pang nasa box. So here's another paper and we got here your 10-watt fast charger. Joke lang, hindi siya fast charger. Medyo maliit siya compared to your Vogue charger pero okay na rin yan. And dito naman yung micro USB cable. So let's try to get this one. So again, this is your micro USB cable. That's it. And check pa natin kung anong nasa box natin. And wala siyang jelly case, wala siyang headset, so hindi siya for free. So nakalagay naman sa back part ng Realme C11 is the 5000 mAh massive battery, the 13 megapixel AI dual camera, the 6.5 mini drop full screen, and the Helio G35 gaming processor. Nice gaming processor. For our variant, we got here the mint green, the 2GB of RAM, and the 32GB of internal memory storage. So maliit yung box ng Realme C11. Sa loob naman ng smaller box, we got here your paperworks. We got here the quick guide. So medyo mataas to pag babasahin mo. So there you go, that's your quick guide. And another paperwork. Let's try to get the smaller box. Let's try to find out. Here is your important information guide. There you go. So yan yung nasa loob ng smaller box mo. And let's try to open this. We got here the pin ejector tool. Ayos. And nakalagay dito yung "Let's embrace a new journey." Ayos. And finally, kunin na natin yung Realme C11 sa plastic. So, what do you think about the design? If you have some comments and suggestions, feel free to comment in the comment section down below. As you can see at the back part, may nakalagay na malaking branding ng Realme. To set up your Realme C11, long press the power button. And by the way, this is powered by Android. Ayos! Pag na-set up mo na si Realme C11, mag-a-appear yung yellow branding ng Realme. Sa back part naman, may nakalagay pa na sticker. And let's try to get the sticker out. There you go. And finally, ito yung design ng back part ng Realme C11. May nakalagay na malaking branding na Realme at the back part with your camera module at the upper part. And ito yung mga nasa loob ng box mo. You got your 10-watt charger, you got your micro USB, you got your paperwork, and your pin ejector. And of course, your Realme C11. By the way, hindi po kasama sa box yung earphones at jelly case. When it comes to display naman, it got an IPS LCD touchscreen with 6.5 inches screen to body ratio. and take a quick look on its camera interface. Ito yung mga features ng camera ng Realme C11, and you got here a sample photo. And later, we're going to have a camera test on this entry-level smartphone. Sa bottom part naman, we got here your headphone jack, your microphone, your micro USB input, and your loudspeaker. On this side naman, we got here your volume rocker and power button. And to tell you, medyo magaan si Realme C11 compared to other Realme smartphone. On this side naman, we got here the SIM card tray with the dual nano SIM card slot and of course with a micro SD card slot, upgradable until 256GB. Sa screen display naman, don't forget that the Realme C11 has also a night mode, ayos! Let's check the screen resolution and volume. With 720p video resolution and with its audio, ayos ang cellphone na to for your online learning. Colors and details are acceptable in this entry-level smartphone. Sa mga students naman looking for a smartphone for your online learning or for your online class, pwedeng-pwede ang smartphone na to para sa inyo. Sa quality build naman, just be extra careful because it doesn't have a Corning Gorilla Glass build. Sa back part naman, it has a plasticky polycarbonate finish. Bumili ka na lang ng jelly case pag meron ng available. When it comes to size, here's a quick comparison of your Realme C11 to your Realme XT. Mas malaki si Realme C11 compared to your Realme XT. Si Realme C11 is powered by Android 10, closer to your stock Android. Ayos! So what do you think about this entry-level smartphone? If you got some comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below. And this time, let's check the gaming performance of this smartphone. It got the Helio G35 gaming processor. When it comes to gaming naman, surprisingly, playable naman yung Mobile Legends sa smartphone na to. When it comes to colors and details, you will enjoy this smartphone. And remember, it got a massive 5,000 mAh battery. Kaya when it comes to Mobile Legends, hindi ka talaga mabibitin sa smartphone na to. And remember, this is an entry-level smartphone. And here's a friendly reminder, dapat balance lang tayo sa paglalaro ng Mobile Legends. Dapat, studies first. Going back to your Mobile Legends, I tried setting up with their higher resolution and sa tingin ko, responsive at okay naman yung smartphone na to. And don't expect too much, pang entry-level lang talaga yung performance ng smartphone na to. And sa mga Mobile Legends players dyan, pwedeng-pwede pa rin to sa inyo. As you can see in the settings, I'm with a higher resolution. Now let's have a quick specs on the rear camera module. It has a dual camera setup with 13 megapixel primary lens with 2 megapixel depth sensor and with LED flash. It has a capacity to shoot in 1080p 30 frames per second video resolution. The front-facing camera with notch design has a 5 megapixel wide-angle lens and has a capacity to shoot in 1080p 30 frames per second when it comes to video. Now let's go sa camera test. This time, I'm with the front-facing camera and when it comes to colors and details, acceptable naman si Realme C11. Pero wala siyang electronic image stabilization. Now let's try the rear camera. Mas okay naman yung makakuha ng rear camera ni Realme C11. And again, wala siyang electronic image stabilization, so medyo malag yung mga footage mo. On a steady position with 1080p video resolution, ayos yung makakuha ni Realme C11. And again, I would like to say thank you to all the 600 subscribers. Thank you and God bless. This time, let's check out the photos. Now here are sample shots from the rear camera with your 13 megapixel primary lens. With these shots, details and colors could be great for this entry-level smartphone. This time with a front-facing camera, 5 megapixel wide-angle lens. And medyo overexposed nga lang yung photo natin dito. On a portrait mode, subject to background separation is quite good. On a night mode, acceptable naman yung mga shots ni Realme C11 for an entry-level smartphone. But at some shots and at some point, medyo kulang ng details yung night mode natin. Not really complaining because for 4,990 pesos, you will have your night mode. So that goes for your camera test. Kung naghahanap ka ng smartphone for online learning, isalin nyo na si Realme C11 sa bucket list nyo. For 4,990 pesos, you will never go wrong with a smartphone. Sobrang sulit na niya sa price range na yun. Again, this is 4,990 pesos. When it comes to gaming, playable naman yung performance ni Realme C11. And when it comes to photos and videos, for this entry-level smartphone, acceptable naman yung results niya. Ayos! When it comes to design naman, sobrang pasok to sa mga teenagers na kagaya ko. Look, sana po nakatulong yung review ko at unboxing ng Realme C11. If you got some comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates on my videos. See you in my next one. Keep safe and God bless.